Here's an example in which an angle is 5 times as large as its complement. What are the measures of the two angles? List them from smallest to largest. Well, we'll let x be the first angle. And the second angle, what's that going to be? Well, it says there it's a complement. What does that mean? It means they add to be 90. Right? That's what complement means. They add to equal 90 degrees. So say you have the first one is 20. What's the other one? Well, 90 minus 20, the other would be 70, right? Or if the first one was 60, what would the other one be? Well, 90 minus 60, the other one would be 30. You get the idea? Once you have the first one, you just got to take away from 90 to get the other. So if the first one's x, the other one's 90 minus x. A lot of students accidentally put x minus 90. And that's close but not right. Remember, you got to have the 90 in the front because that's the total of the two angles. You got to start with the bigger number, the total, and subtract x. So, okay, so there's the formula that we start off with. X is the first angle, 90 minus x is the second angle. And then what does it say from there? An angle is, so x is 5 times the complement, which is 90 minus x. You get that? I just directly followed that sentence. The angle, x, is equals 5 times the complement. Complement is this, right? This is the complement here. So let's bring that equation down here and solve it. X equals 5 times 90 minus x. Okay, distribute through the parentheses. 450 minus 5x. You know what you do when you have x's on both sides? You do the opposite, right? So I add 5x to both sides. Cancels out here. This is 6x here. And then last step, divide, not by 3, what am I doing? Divide by 6. Boom, and then x equals, use your calculator when you need it. So 450 divided by 6. I'm getting 75. So x is 75. But now that's not the answer yet. That's just x. What are they asking for? Well, they're asking us to list the angles. So what are the angles? Well, you got to take that answer for x and plug it in. So that one's just going to be 75. And then you got to plug in 75 here. So this one's going to be 90 minus 75, which is 15. So the two angles are 75 and 15, and they want the smallest first. So 15, then 75. See how those two add up to be 90? And one of them is 5 times the other. 5 times 15 is 75. So there it is.